Understanding, save big, unlock the secrets of English phrases. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very popular English phrase, save big. If you've been curious about what this phrase means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Save big is a phrase that combines two simple words, save and big, to convey a powerful message. Save here means to keep money instead of spending it. The word big amplifies this meaning, suggesting that you are not just saving money, but saving a large amount of it. This phrase is commonly used in advertising and marketing to attract customers by promising substantial savings. Save big is often seen in advertisements, sales promotions, and marketing materials. The phrase is designed to catch your attention and persuade you to take advantage of a particular offer or deal. For instance, a store might advertise, "Save big on all electronics this weekend." Here, the store is promising significant discounts on electronic items. Apart from advertisements, save big can be used in everyday conversations. For example, 1. Friends talking, "I decided to buy my new laptop during the holiday sales to save big." 2. Family discussion, "If we book our vacation tickets now instead of last minute, we can save big." In these examples, the phrase is used to express the idea of saving a lot of money through smart choices or timing. While save big is common, there are variations you might encounter. Big savings. This is more of a noun phrase, like in, "The store is offering big savings this week." Save a lot. This is a more straightforward way of expressing the same idea. Understanding these variations will help you recognize the concept of significant savings in different contexts. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, save big. We hope this video has helped you understand not just the meaning, but also the context and usage of this popular phrase. Remember, English is full of such expressions, and understanding them can really enrich your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep learning, and you'll soon find yourself using English more confidently and effectively.